Africa has the labor force to solve some of the world's most pressing challenges. We have many success stories. Too often, however, Africa startups lack the funding to compete at a global level. We cannot accept that another generation of African young people do not have the tools to reach their full potential. Timbuktu's vision aligns with Rwanda's innovation ecosystem. Rwanda is open for anyone to come and test their solution. I'm also pleased to announce that Rwanda will commit $3 million to this fund. We will also do our part to mobilize